The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. Looking for maintenance-free living in a one-level townhome? Look no more. This Branson home is situated in the desired lakeside community of Lakewood Estates Condos on the shores of Lake Taneycomo. Home has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, open living with additional sunroom area and bonus closed-in patio area that would make a perfect office or hobby room, and more. Community boasts community center, courtesy dock, swimming pool and lawn maintenance. Neighborhood is within half-mile drive to Cox Hospital, the Branson Landing, dining and entertainment. Seller planned on remodeling but plans changed. Will need some love.